Dzień dobry, everyone. Good afternoon. I close my laptop. Okay, so it has been 3 hours. My police classes already finished. Yay! I'm already hungry. And outside is raining. So first of all, I would like to showing you little bit my daily life actually. So today after my class, I plan to cook at home. Right, so today I'm gonna show you the kitchen, the fridge, and then what food that I'm gonna cook so far because I'm craving for the rice. And my mother-in-law already prepared me so many food. So yeah, I'll show you what it is actually inside our fridge. Okay, home sweet home. So what is it inside the fridge? Tada! Empty. We didn't go shopping yet, but later we'll go shopping. And this is Damian's favorite drink, Coke, and this one is Cabanos, cheese, meat, and yeah, this one for the cheesecake. Look, inside this, it was full of the jars of this one. It is called gowomki. I'll show you. I will heat the gowomki today. Damian's juice, right? And the next one, my mama-in-law also prepare us with the pierogi. Lots of pierogi. So why I never show you buying pierogi outside? Because my mama-in-law already prepared me with so many things. And then even with the note. You see, pierogi na słodko means like the sweet pierogi. Yeah, this too sweet, and this one I think with the meat inside. So mama, dziękujemy na all of the food, and this one the meat. I'll show you also the jars. This is all my mother-in-law's handmade. This one is the jam because my mom-in-law know that I love a bread with the jam. This one is the mushroom. I haven't opened it yet. And this one is, I don't know what it is. And next is this one is the ogurek, something like that. Police people really love it, and my husband also love it, and I also love it. And what is the next? Right, another fruit jams. Oh, this one yabuko and slivka, apple and slivka. All is handmade from my mother-in-law. Right? So this one, I think this one is the berries. And then let's go down. This one the tea. In Poland there are lots of type of tea. I bought my lemon tea. And this one fruit tea as well, and this one is also fruit tea, right? And this is the secret of my kitchen. Right, so this one is another ogurki with the sweet and sour. Right, and this one is the cherry, the sweet cherry in the jar, all handmade by my mother-in-law. And this one, I think I haven't opened it yet. My mother-in-law is so nice, the best mom in the world after my mom. And this one is the pear, I think the sweet pear. I haven't tried it yet. Okay, so today I'm craving for rice. Maybe most of you have been asking question about, is there any, like rice in Poland? Because you know that I am obviously from Bali, then I eat rice even 3 times a day, and I love rice. And then the thing is that my mother-in-law already prepared me with the gowomki. Gowomki is actually the cooked cabbage wrapped with the rice and meat. So today I will warm it and I'll show you what is it inside. I would like to say special thanks to my mother-in-law. She is a very nice lady and prepared me lots of food. She knows that, I'm still learning with the cold, so she prepared all of the food. So when it is cold and rainy, and I don't need to go outside to buy food or ordering food, so she already prepared all. Dziękujemy mama i tata. Kocham cię. Mua. Dziękujemy bardzo, bardzo. Polecam. So one thing about Polish people that I realized that whenever babcha or chochang give you food, they are really, really nice and the food is top notch. So gowomki already on the pan and I'm warming about 5-10 minutes. So this is how it looks. This is it. My simple lunch actually. This one is gowomki and I have this one with the pork with the tomato sauce. And then I've got the ponchek as my dessert, and this one is the ogurek, sweet and sour. Smacznego! Okay, so this is basically my lunch because Damian is busy working. So sometimes he comes home for lunch and sometimes he's having lunch outside. But dinner time, we have to be dinner at home together. Woohoo! Smacznego! Okay, some of you and also some of my friends in Bali and my families in Bali, always saying like, can you cope with the, the Polish food that looks on the screen, looks on Damian's video, looks plain and boring? Well, basically, what I can say then, it's almost 3 weeks here and I already gained about 2 kg. I eat a lot. It's just because of the food here. It's so good. And look at this. I'll show you. Smells so good. Okay, so this is a gowomki. This is a traditional Polish food which is made of cooked cabbage and rice inside, and this is a minced meat and with the tomato sauce. Now I will try it. Oh, still hot. The rice and the minced beef with the seasoning, super tasty. So in one time, I'm sitting like this. I normally eat like 2 gowomki. It's already enough for me. But last time when we have a dinner, like my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, they really also like gowomki. This is a very traditional food like this. Inside is the rice and minced beef, or probably minced pork as well, or any kind of meat. So for those of you who have been asking me like, do you miss the rice? Well, what I can say then, I eat rice. I eat this rice every day. So juicy. Now let's try the meat. So tender, I think. Let's try. And then with the ogurek, this is my favorite one, the sweet and sour, like this one. Bardzo smacznie. Dziękujemy, mama. Your food is the best Polish food ever. You know, once I told my mom, Mama, if you come to Poznan, you better open your own restaurant milk bar here. Must be busy. So good. And all the food, she made it, you know, like without any MSG and all natural and organic. I open another one like this. So this one is the rice inside. Like this inside. Okay, my main course finished. Next is pączek, Polish traditional donut as my dessert. In Poland, there is I think a special day. It's called a Fat Thursday. I forgot the name. It is in Polish. So Polish people eat lots of pączek on Thursday. I forgot what day is it today. But for me, eating pączek every day, in the morning, afternoon, and dinner time. No wonder I'm getting fat. Smacznego, look at this one. Inside, it's like this. So good. Wow, so after eating quite a big meal for me, now it's time to walk basically to the park, just 2 minutes from our apartment, and I'll show you around. It's very nice, beautiful sunshine, but unfortunately it's still cold. I think that this is now around 8 or 9 degrees. So yeah, it's time to walk and then burn all the calories that I've eaten so far. So this is the park in the middle of the road next to our apartment, somewhere there. And here is the housing complex basically, and in the middle of over there is for the cars, and in the middle there is one beautiful park, and on the left side here is for the tram, and over there is another park. So like I explained to you before, it's just like Poznan area is 25% of the area is basically the green spaces. So wherever you walk, around 2 or 3 minutes is already green like this. Yeah, so just like this. On the left is the tram. It's very enjoyable to walk or cycling. Can you hear the sound of the birds and nature? It's so enjoyable. So today I've got many beautiful message from Instagram. I'm glad also you really enjoy my daily vlogs from Poland. I know it's totally different word for me, and I just stay true to myself. So I'm really impressed with Poland in general. Even I know that some Polish people, they are humble. They say that, oh, welcome to our gray place, something like that. But it is actually, it's beautiful. I know that past time was dark, but future must be bright. Look at this beautiful apartment, a brand new apartment. So actually there are so many brand new building. It's not only a gray area in Poznan, and obviously greens are everywhere, just like this. So yeah, I think that's all my video today. I feel cold and I need to walk more to stay fit. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.